everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite Rice Krispie Treat recipe ever, Chewy Chocolate Rice Crispy Treats. These are seriously delicious and they're so easy to make. The only downside is that they're so good it's hard to stop at just one. Please take a minute to hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 6 tablespoons of butter, a 16-ounce bag of mini marshmallows, 3/4 cup of chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. Start by melting the butter in a large pot over low heat. Add the chocolate chips and the cocoa powder to the butter and stir until the chocolate is completely melted and smooth. Remove 1 cup of marshmallows from the package and set it aside. Pour the remaining marshmallows into the pan and stir until all of the marshmallows have melted. Turn off the heat, and if your pan is large enough, add the cereal and the remaining marshmallows. Then stir until the cereal is coated in chocolate. If not, measure the Rice Krispies cereal into a large bowl and pour the chocolate mixture over it. Then stir until the cereal is covered in chocolate. Spray a 9x13 baking dish or a jelly roll pan with nonstick cooking spray or line with parchment paper. Use a greased spatula to press the chocolate Rice Krispie mixture until it covers the bottom of the pan. Allow the treats to set for at least an hour before cutting them into squares. I hope you like these chocolate Rice Krispie treats as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Make sure to like and subscribe for more fun recipes, and I'll see you next time.